Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Reagan.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and quick review. Yeah. So we're going to unbox the new AQUAMAN. Yes, and it's a good thing now when I pick up this AQUAMAN in Secret Base HOTTOYS here in Hong Kong. There's no line. I mean, there's no lineup for that pickup. They separated the line for pickup and pre-order. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. Let's open it. So you can see the box. It's very green.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's Martin. He loves AQUAMAN. Yeah. Nice. There you go, guys. So there, the basic box for Justice League figure by HOTTOYS. Yeah, of course this is by HOTTOYS 1/6 scale collectibles, right? And then, yeah, so the name is here on the side, and Kasenkuro at the back, right? Same here.
Let's open it.
Yes, and there you go. You can see the transparent screen, so you can see right away what's inside the box. Yeah, so it's easy for you, so they don't need to like take it out all the way from the box. If
Hard
you,
to see because this.
yeah, because every time you're going to pick up your figure or your order in Secret Base HOTTOYS, they will going to ask you if you want to see it, if you want to check it first before leaving the shop or leaving the HOTTOYS Secret Base, right? But then of course you have 14 days to return or exchange,
Yeah,
right?
14 days warm.
Yeah, 14 days warm. And what? Yeah, so first up, the
Trident.
Trident. His
Of
Trident.
Poseidon?
Yeah.
Whose Trident is this again? Is this Poseidon's Trident?
Take it off from the so they can see. I mean, because Ryu is not here, he is already sleeping. Yeah, so we have a time to really like, you know, show it to you guys, because if Ryu, of course, we like Ryu to, you know, join with us, but of course it will, maybe some of you doesn't like, you know, like kids playing, you know, toys, you know, but then yeah, of course it's HOTTOYS, it's a HOTTOYS, it's the HOTTOYS. I mean, it's not the normal toys, you know. I mean, it's a high-end toy, so if something break or Ryu break something or parts of the figure, then of course goodbye.
Doesn't he have brown hair? Why does he have gold hair?
Yeah, but we'll see later, maybe, I think. So again, this is the mother box. Yeah. What? Yes.
The mother
this
box
mother
of the
box.
ocean. And this one is as sharp as my teeth.
So Martin, how many hands he has?
He has 2 pairs of hands.
Yes, 2 pairs.
Not
Just 2
much.
pairs, guys, holding the trident. And then of course extra joint.
So big,
So this is the figure, guys. So light.
shiny.
Okay, so let's remove the plastic first.
His hair is supposed to be light brown, right? Why does this look like gold?
Light? What light? What do you mean?
Light brown, his hair.
Light
Right?
brown, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure you already watched this one from other channel, from other collectors, right? They unbox this one. I'm sure you guys. Off the shoulder. Oh, you can pull. Or
Mother box.
oh, you can. So guys, I'm having a hard time to put it back. That shoulder, but.
So you gotta be careful.
So yeah, we're back again. So yeah, I was talking about the shoulder. So I accidentally pulled the his shoulder pad, right? So be careful on that. Though it's easy to, you know, put it back, but you know, maybe it will take time. Let's get the base holder. The usual base, guys. You can see right here. So, and then the stand right here, so tall, so you gotta pull that holder really high. So that's it. That's all you can get from that Aquaman.
And of course the manual. Yeah.
Yeah, of course the manual here. If you're not sure,
If you're correct or
not sure on what you're doing while putting the accessories to him or moving his body parts, so of course always take or look that or read that manual, right? You can, there you go. Okay, and of course this is a Trident, right? The mother box right here, guys, and then let's slide it down first. So yeah, okay, so just yeah, again, 2 pairs of hands. So just a very quick review, guys. Not that much of accessories. Then I'm not sure. Of course, some collectors not really happy with his head, with this head sculpt. Though it's almost there. But then it's maybe they did miss something really like feel. Yeah. Maybe more strong on the eyes, and then his also the eyebrows.
Or probably the beard is too long.
Not really. Yeah, maybe also too long. And then the what's this? His eyebrows should be at least more thicker. I think more darker. This one's not that really. Yeah, almost there. Yeah, I think this one
It's
annoyed
just the hair.
the other collectors, yeah, because of this beard is too long. Maybe it should be shorter. And the head can be weird. It's okay that it's not rooted hair, but at least it looks thick, too thick. Yeah, right. Yeah, it looks thick, right, guys? See, should be thinner, a bit thinner. It's like bulky here,
Yeah.
right? You can see right there. See. Articulation. Oops, see?
Easily take, easily
Yeah.
put on, easily take off.
I don't
You
know
can
why.
easily take it off and you can easily put it back.
Oh yeah, you can move. Yeah, before moving that shoulder for the articulations, you can move his shoulder pads or armor. You can see right here. See? You can see, right? So that's how I did it. Right? So that's how you going to move his shoulder for that articulation. Alright, so same here.
It's called the Trident of Neptune.
Trident of Neptune. Yeah. So Martin said Trident of Neptune. For the elbows, also nice. You can hear the click. So, but not really high. Martin, right? See? Yeah. So up to there.
Like 90 degrees.
Yeah, 90. And then the head, I think you can turn his head from right to left. So yeah, I can tilt a little bit down, and I think you can do 360 for his head, but maybe you might gonna damage the suits because of the hair. We don't know if it's really sharp, or yeah, so just be careful on that. Yeah, and then the upper torso, you can see you can actually move it. Yeah, you can really put some angle there. That's good. Yeah, I like that, like moving that upper torso.
They're gonna jump.
See, guys, right here. So it's like, yeah, doing the swim. See? Right? Wave, doing the wave.
I wonder who's standing.
So front and back, you can see right here. Back, right there. Front. And then the waist. He doesn't have waist. Imagine that. He doesn't have waist, guys. Oh my god, how come? You cannot move his waist like. Yeah, that's not good. I mean, like, of course, you should put Hot Toys should put some extra space here just for the waist. This one is rubber. It's like thick material. This what's this? His suit inside his armor. His suit like this. It's good. The detail is very nice, but then yeah, the articulation. Yeah, I think that's it. Even in the manual, it will tell that only up to there. And then the knees. Ooh, be careful on that. You can see when I try to bend his knees, you can see all the parts of his suit is like crumpled already, almost like rip off. Almost. Yeah. I think it should be good. Strong material, not easily to damage. Yeah, you can see right here. See that? So yeah, that's the max. And then the ankle. Yeah. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure? Yeah.
The material is really nice. It's made of rubber. It's quite sticky, and this part is sharp, a bit sharp. Yeah, so you should be careful on the sharp corners. Even the hair.
It's like the what's
even
this?
The hair.
Batman.
Even at the hair, end of the hair.
Yeah. Even the hair too is a bit sharp. Yeah.
And especially
really
the Trident.
So those are the. I think it will tell in the manual.
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful on that sharp part. Here and then here.
The head sculpt's not really doesn't really look like Jason Momoa.
Not that. Almost, yeah. Maybe
almost.
You can say 80%. 80% side view, yeah. Guys. 8%, not
Probably
really 100%, yeah.
Probably 7.5 out of 10.
To me, 8. Yeah, 8. Martin, 7.5. Okay.
But the suit is really nice. Just the face that's a bit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the suit's very nice, right? The details too.
Yeah.
Very.
I wonder if it's waterproof.
Yeah. No, I should put him in our aquarium,
Really
so we know if he's really waterproof. Yeah. This is a suit. This one rubber, plastic, stretchable. This part. This one is plastic, hard plastic here.
Yeah.
This one hard plastic. His forearm rubber plastic, but this one is more harder. This one also a bit of plastic. Yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of like kind of plastic, guys. So you can search. No, I mean like yeah, there's a lot of like polycarbonate, blah blah blah. So it's a long name.
So much chemicals.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. It's a very quick one. Just a very quick review. I love this figure. Yeah. At least to add or to complete the Justice League. Although we're not yet sure about the Cyborg. So hopefully we can get him. Yeah,
we also have Superman.
Maybe not. Yeah, we're still waiting for Superman. Of course, everyone is waiting for Superman. Yeah, so hopefully we can complete them for collectors. Cyborg, that's it.
Just there.
Yeah, that's it. Right? So,
yeah, they're here on your logo.
Yeah, right.
All of them.
Then of course the mother box right here. And put like this. Right? So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick one, a very nice figure. I think it's a must. I mean, a must if you want to collect the Justice League. Good job on that, Hot Toys. You know, yeah. Although there are still some room for improvement, but then that's it already. Aquaman.
Jason Momoa.
Jason Momoa. Yeah, man.
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and bye guys.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Peace out.